Good morning. I guess you guessed it. It is Tuesday Tips and Tricks Day. So today I'm going to show you a tip using your Creative Memories 13 by 13 mat with the designs on it and your corner rounder. Oh, and of course, the most important part is your jumbo circle pattern. All right, so I just grabbed a piece of Winterberry paper. This paper is really nice for winter, of course. And if you like it, you should get it because I think it's on the Last Chance tab under, on the website. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to just partially lay my circle pattern on the paper. And I'm going to use my blue blade. Whenever you cut a circle and it's not entirely on the paper, like right here there's a mat, right here there's paper, go ahead and start by cutting the paper first and then going back to get the part that you missed. It works better that way, 'cause otherwise sometimes it might tear your paper. All right, so after I do that, notice I'm keeping everything into place, and I'm going to do it again, blue blade now on the inside of the pattern. Again, start on the paper and then go backwards to get the part that I missed, and then go around to the other side. All right, so this piece we're saving. This piece we're going to work on, and this piece we're saving too. All right, so now we're going to work on this guy. So what I want you to do is kind of lay it down here on your mat so that you can see the lines. I'm going to kind of do it like this. I want these lines right here, these two. So it would be your 30 degree and your 60 degree angle. All right, and what I want you to do is just put some dots on each end. So hopefully you can see. I'm going to hold it a little bit closer so that you can see that I'm going to put a dot here and here, and then I'm going to put a dot here and here. All right. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide these two dots to this line over here. And then I'm going to do two more dots here and here. Then I'm going to slide these two dots over to this line. And I'm going to dot here and here. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is grab my straight trimmer, which I didn't tell you we were using, but we are. Psych. And I'm going to cut through those. Now, what I want you to do, now pay close attention, is I am going to cut so that the dots are just to the left of the cutting line. Okay, so my dots are just to the left of where I know it's going to cut. Then I'm going to rotate, I'm going to pull it in so that now the dots are just on the right side of the line where I know it's going to cut. And this scrap we're going to throw away. This scrap we're going to keep. So I'm going to flip that over so that I can keep these pieces in order. And I'm going to do it all the way. So the dots now are on the left side of the dotted line where I know it's going to cut. Next, I'm moving these little dots to the right side of the dotted line where I know it's going to cut. And that's a scrap. This is a keeper. I'm going to keep doing that until I have gotten rid of all of these silly dots. Trash, keeper. And last one. Trash, keeper, and then this, of course, is a keeper. All right, now they were stacked, so they're in order. Now what I want to do, there's an inside and an outside. This is your rounded outside, and this is your inside. On the outside of all of these, I want to use your corner rounder to just round those sides. So I'm going to stack them again in order. That one's not rounding for me very well. Should kind of jam it in there on that one. All right, so got those and my other pieces, and then I'm going to lay them out on 2 pieces of cardstock. And instead of wasting your time, I'm just show you what it looks like when you're finished. And hopefully you can see both pages. Let's see. So what I did is I put the one where I cut the hole out of here. I added a couple of 4x6 mats, and I used my smallest circle pattern with the blue blade to cut this one, so it's ready for a photo. Over here I rebelt this little piece, and then I put the other scrap down here in the right hand corner. All right, and over here I have 2 4x4 mats and a 3.5x5 mat. Up here is where we will put our title. So I hope you love this simple layout. It's a lot of fun, and I hope you'll go try it. Thanks so much, and happy Tuesday. Bye.